In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal business account. Whether you've decided to move on from PayPal or you simply no longer need your business account, this step-by-step guide will ensure you do so smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by preparing before closing your account. The very first thing you need to do is transfer out any remaining balance. You can do this by moving the funds to your bank account, transferring them to a linked debit card, or if you prefer, you can request a check. Remember, once you close your account, access to any leftover balance is gone with it. Next, take the time to cancel all of your pending transactions and subscriptions. Make sure to resolve any ongoing disputes as well. This is crucial to ensure a clean account closure without any lingering issues. Don't forget to download your transaction history too. You'll do this by navigating to the Activity tab, selecting All Transactions, and then pressing Download. Once your account is closed, you lose all access to these records, so having a backup is a smart move. Ensure there are no account limitations preventing the closure, such as any unresolved issues. These limitations can sometimes block the process, so it's best to verify there's nothing in the way. Now that everything is prepared, let's move on to actually closing your business account. For this step, use a desktop or laptop browser for the best experience. Log into your PayPal business account as you normally would. In the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a gear icon which represents Settings. Click on this icon. From here, make your way to Account Settings. If you're having trouble finding it, note that sometimes it can be listed under Profile and Settings, so double-check those sections. Within Account Settings, locate the section specifically labeled Account Type. Here, you'll find the option to Close your account. Confirm it specifies Business, so you're certain you're closing the correct account type. At this point, PayPal might prompt you to re-enter your password or another form of verification. This is just a security measure, helping to confirm you're genuinely seeking to close the account. Once you've completed the verification, choose a reason for closing your account from the provided options. After this, click Close Account to finalize the process. Keep in mind, closing your PayPal business account is a permanent action. Once finalized, you can't reopen the account or retrieve its data, so be absolutely sure this is the route you want to take. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to closing your PayPal business account with confidence. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and complete process. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.